Example 7.19. A man with a near point of 25 centimeter reads a book which has small print using a magnifying lens of focal length 5 centimeter. A. What are the closest and the farthest distance at which he should keep the lens from the book? What are the maximum and the minimum magnification possible? Now, here what is given is the D value is given. Okay, the man with a near point of 25 centimeters. So D value is how much? 25 centimeter. And the focal length is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, what are the closest and the farthest distance? So for the closest distance, okay. So for the closest object distance, we take it as what? U. The closest object distance, we are taking it as what? U. The corresponding image distance is V. But what is your V? Here your V is your near point. So that is minus 25 centimeter. Why we are writing it as minus 25 centimeter? For near point, V is equal to what? Minus D. So that is on the side of the object itself. Okay, so we are writing it as what? V is equal to minus D. Now, for farthest object, for this distance, the object distance is U dash. And the corresponding image distance is what? V dash. We are taking it as what? V dash. Okay. Now, we'll go for first finding the object distance for the that is closest object distance, and then we'll go for the furthest object distance. Okay, so we can go for first go for to find the closest object distance. Okay, so we can write the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. That is the length equation we are using. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. So we want to find out 1 by U. So it is 1 by U is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. So we'll substitute 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 25. V value we know minus 25. Minus 1 by 5. So that is 1 by 25 minus 1 by 5. So which is equal to, we can take the LCM as 25. So this is minus 1 minus 5. So this is minus 6 by 25. Minus 6 by what? 25. So what is the U value? U value is 25 by 6. You will be having the minus. So this is, if you divide it, you will be getting 4.167 centimeter. Okay. So your closest distance is how much? Minus 4.167 centimeter. Now we'll go for the farthest object distance. That is 1 by V dash minus 1 by U dash is equal to 1 by F dash. Okay. So here we have to calculate 1 by U dash. That is 1 by V dash minus 1 by F dash. Okay. Now for the farthest object distance, your V dash is what? Infinity. V dash is what? Infinity. Your object distance is same. Okay. Your focal length is same. So 1 by U dash is equal to 1 by infinity minus 1 by 5. So 1 by U dash is equal to 1 by 5. So U dash is equal to minus, sorry, here I will be getting a minus. You will be getting a minus 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll go for the second part of the question. What are the maximum and minimum magnification possible? Okay. So one is the near point focusing and another one is the far point focusing. Okay. That is the normal focusing. So magnification for near point focusing. That is m is equal to 1 plus d by f. So what is 1 plus 20 by 5 by 5? So that is 1 plus 5, which is equal to what? 6. Okay. Now magnification for normal focusing. So that is magnification is equal to d by f. That is 25 by 5. That is nothing but what? 5. Okay. So we have found out the maximum and the minimum magnification possible.